Now in more news break coming in, this one from Punjab where AAP MLA's close aide who's been identified as Amit Ratan has been arrested by the Vigilance Department for taking bribe amounting to 4 lakh rupees from a Sarpanch. We're given to understand that the AAP MLA from Bhatinda Rural, Amit Ratan's personal assistant Ramesh Garg has been arrested by the Vigilance Department. Meanwhile, the role of the MLA is also under scanner and the probe into this case is underway. Amandeep is joining us for more on that. Amandeep, if you could give us more details on this aide of the AAP MLA who's been arrested for taking bribe amounting to 4 lakh rupees.
A very embarrassing situation for the Aam Aadmi Party, Samiksha. AAP MLA is very close aide and said to be the personal assistant of AAP MLA Amit Ratan, and in fact arrested red-handed while receiving the bribe of rupees 4 lakhs from a Sarpanch. And in fact this complaint has been given to the vigilance that MLA's close aide continuously demanding the bribe from the Sarpanches, and in fact this time he has been caught red-handed and amount of money, bribe money in fact has been recovered from his possession also. And now the police is, vigilance is in fact probing the further angle, the role of the MLA. Either this money has to be delivered to the MLA Amit Ratan or this money is stick to his close aide itself. But very embarrassing situation for the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, that how their own MLAs, personal PAs and even the close aides are involved into the bribery cases. And in fact, meanwhile, BJP has also staged a protest last night in Bathinda itself, in the constituency of the AAP MLA, Bathinda Rural, and demanding the arrest of the AAP MLA. And in fact, they are alleging there is a direct involvement of AAP MLA. It is not only the PA who is involved into this bribery case. And even now situation is getting more complicated for the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab. Either they are going to launch the investigation against their own MLA, or this case will be restricted to with the arrest of his own PA. Yes, Samik.
Yes, Amandeep, stay with us. A reaction that has also come in. Let's listen in on the kind of political reactions that have been coming in on the story.
Face of Aam Aadmi Party, and AAP's corruption path has been exposed yet again in Punjab. Their MLA from Bhatinda, Amit Ratan, has been caught red-handed taking a bribe from the Sarpanch through his PA. The money was caught while he was around the money. It was recovered from his car. 4 lakh rupees was being taken as bribe. This is not the first time that bribes and corruption is taking place in the Punjab government. The Minister for Health had to resign immediately after the government came to power. After that, Fauza Singh Sarari had to resign when his audio tape went viral about corruption and Vasooli. And in Delhi too, they have set new records of corruption. They have won gold medal for corruption in Delhi. Whether it's Satyendra Jain, who's in jail till now for Hawala Ghotala, whether it is Sharab Ghotala of Mr. Manish Sisodia and company, including Vijay Nair, whether it is Shiksha Ghotala, the classroom Ghotala, whether it is Delhi Jal Board Ghotala, whether it is Delhi Bus Ghotala. There are several ministers in Delhi government. So Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, has become Aur Adhik Paap. It is the epitome of corruption that is taking place, and every time its corruption is caught, instead of answering the questions on corruption, they play the victimhood card. They do ABCD: advertisement, bhrashtachar, cover-up of corruption, and deviation from the answers. Today, Arvind Kejriwal must tell us that is this the India against corruption, or is this Aam Aadmi Party with corruption? This has become the new slogan and tagline of Aam Aadmi Party.